Hi there. Here at Great Smile Dental, we're always looking for ways to protect your smile and keep your teeth healthy. That's why we recommend Vardis Curodont Repair Fluoride Plus, a powerful fluoride treatment that works to prevent the progression of tooth decay.
Vardis combines advanced fluoride, calcium phosphate, and xylitol to actively repair enamel and strengthen your teeth. These ingredients help remineralize areas weakened by early decay and create a protective barrier that resists future decay. By using Vardis Curodont, you're not just fighting decay, you're preventing it from getting worse and reducing the need for costly restorations like fillings and crowns. It's a simple and effective solution for maintaining a cavity-free smile.
Ask us today how Vardis can help you protect your teeth from further decay, keep your smile strong and healthy with Vardis Curodont Repair Fluoride Plus. Vardis Fluoride Plus, your smile's best defense.